guys, what's up? Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Starting this December 1st, we're having our first annual Christmas special. Yay! And it's through the December 1st through to December 25th with this, which is Christmas. So yeah. And in the videos, there will be crafting, singing, and a whole bunch of other stuff that you can do for Christmas. And yeah, fun stuff and music videos and all that. So I hope you will watch them, and yeah, so stay tuned through December 1st. So yeah, and yeah, so I'm in snow right now. Yeah. Woo! Yay! Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square in the frosty air. The right time to rock the night. Yeah, it's so fun to play in the snow, so yeah. If you're interested in these videos, just comment down below or just send me a message, and yeah. So yeah. And that's probably about it. I just wanted to tell you guys, so yeah. It's gonna be every day, I think so. I'm not for sure yet. So yeah. Well, I hope you'll watch them. So